sure to bake a delicious strawberry shortcake for Princess Berrykin. Are you ready to bake with me? Great! Shortcake is my favorite. The first step is to mix the dry ingredients. Add the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt to the large bowl. Careful, don't spill. Well done! Now we add the butter. Here's a very helpful tip. Take butter out of the fridge early so it warms to room temperature and is easier to mix. In a separate bowl, add 1 egg and milk. You can tilt or tap to pour. It's always a good idea to use large eggs for baking. Beat the egg and milk together. Almost done! Pour the egg and milk mixture into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Go slowly. Let's add a fun color to our mixture. Tap the bottle to add color. Mix until everything is blended together nicely. We don't want a lumpy dessert. Spread the butter all over the bottom of the pan. Slowly pour the batter into the pan. Now it's time to get the oven ready. It smells so very good. Once the cake has cooled, slice it through the center to make 2 even cakes. Remember that when baking at home, always start by washing. I love whipped cream, don't you? Spread it on the bottom layer of the cake. Fruit would make this dessert even more tasty. Which one do you like? Now add even more fruit to make your shortcake. You're almost done. Just add some more whipped cream. Yum! Let's add some sprinkles to our dessert. Use your finger to spread them around. Now we can decorate our dessert with lots of delicious decorations. Let's start by adding a little bit of flair. And now let's add a fancy figurine. How about a candle? Our dessert will really stand out. And to top it all off, let's add some candy for extra sweetness. Hooray! That looks great! Let's go show it to Princess Berrykin. Your dessert looks very delicious. That looks very delicious.